Hello dear, welcome once again. In this video, I am going to explain you the difference between possessive adjectives and possessive pronouns. So, I hope you know what are adjectives. I'll give you a little idea about that and then we'll proceed how we use possessive pronouns, which are very easy. The concept you have to understand, and in the competitive examinations these are asked quite frequently. So let's go and see. Now let us see the difference between possessive adjectives and possessive pronouns with example. This is my car. Idu nanna car. This car is mine. ಈ ಕಾರು ನನ್ನದು, ನನಗೆ ಸೇರಿದ್ದು. These are our trophies. ಇವು ನಮ್ಮ ಟ್ರೋಫಿಗಳು. These trophies are ours. ಈ ಟ್ರೋಫಿಗಳು ನಮ್ಮವು, ನಮಗೆ ಸೇರಿದ್ದವು. This was his house. ಇದು ಅವನ ಮನೆಯಾಗಿತ್ತು. This house was his. ಈ ಮನೆ ಅವನದಾಗಿತ್ತು. This will be her property. ಇದು ಅವಳ ಆಸ್ತಿ ಆಗುವುದು. This property will be hers. ಈ ಆಸ್ತಿ ಅವಳದಾಗುವುದು. Which is your bike? ನಿನ್ನ ಬೈಕ್ ಯಾವುದು? Which bike is yours? ಯಾವ ಬೈಕ್ ನಿನ್ನದು? This is their last chance. ಇದು ಅವರ ಕೊನೆಯ ಅವಕಾಶ. This last chance is theirs. ಈ ಕೊನೆಯ ಅವಕಾಶ ಅವರುಗಳದು. ಪೊಸೆಸಿವ್ ಅಡ್ಜೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ಸ್ನ ಅಡಿಯಲ್ಲಿರುವ ಮೈ, ಅವರ್, ಹಿಸ್, ಹರ್, ಯುವರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೇರ್ ಇವುಗಳಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಪೊಸೆಸಿವ್ ಅಡ್ಜೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಅಂತೀವಿ. ಅದೇ ಪೊಸೆಸಿವ್ ಪ್ರೊನೌನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಮೈನ್, ಅವರ್ಸ್, ಹಿಸ್, ಹರ್ಸ್, ಯುವರ್ಸ್, ದೇರ್ಸ್ ಇವುಗಳನ್ನು ಪೊಸೆಸಿವ್ ಪ್ರೊನೌನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಎರಡೂ ವಾಕ್ಯಗಳ ಅರ್ಥ ಒಂದೇ ಆಗಿದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ ಹೇಳುವ ರೀತಿ ಬೇರೆ ಇದೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್ ಬೇರೆ ಆಗಿ ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ. Now let us see how this knowledge is tested in the examinations. Testing of the knowledge of possessive pronoun or possessive adjective can be done in this way. It is very simple and easy. Pause the video here and read all the examples and fill in the blanks. Answers will be given in the next slide. Here are the correct answers. Compare with your answers. If all are correct, then it is very good. At degree level and competitive examinations, the example will not be so easy. So let us see how they will test you in such examinations. Fill in the blanks with the suitable possessive adjective or possessive pronoun. The aircraft bound for Srinagar has lost dash route. Now you have to fill in. Second example, this money is earned by us. It is dash money. The money is dash. Try to find the correct answers now. Here are the answers. The aircraft bound for Srinagar has lost its route. This money is earned by us. It is our money. And the money is ours. Next examples. I have earned this money. This is dash money. This money I have earned is dash. The players have won some prize money. It is dash money. The money is dash. Next one. Rani has 2 children. They are dash children. The children are dash. Now you have to fill in all these things and then only go to the next slide. I have earned this money. This is my money. The money I have earned is mine. The players have won some prize money. It is their money. The money is theirs. Rani has 2 children. They are her children. The children are hers. Pause the video here and read all the examples carefully and note down the mistakes and correct them. In the next slide, you will get the corrected sentences. In the first sentence, it is my husband, because husband is a noun. So before that, what comes is the adjective. Therefore, it is my husband, not mine husband. Remove the weed along with its. So here, very very important, it is apostrophe is missing here. So when you write a pronoun, it should not be with the apostrophe. The apostrophe like this. This shows that it is or it has. Remember. Again, in the next sentence, it is our decision, not ours decision. In the next sentence, the apostrophe has to be put. It is not its, it is its. In the fifth sentence, second its has no apostrophe. So it reads like this. It has its own implications. In the sixth sentence, the pronoun THERE should not be used. It is THEIR. In the seventh sentence, last word is not her, it is hers. Because after her, there is no word. If there is a noun, then it becomes an adjective. So you have to use her. In the eighth sentence, it is very clear. My eyes. It is not mine eyes, because eyes is a noun. Therefore, before that, there should be an adjective. So it is mine. In the ninth sentence, Ashok is a male. Therefore, the last word is his. And in the 10th one, it is Anu. Anu is a female. Therefore, it is hers. I hope that now you have got a very good idea about these things. But if you want to be perfect, do some more examples. So I am giving as exercise for you. Pause the video here and read all the examples and fill in the blanks with the suitable pronouns or possessive adjective. After completing the exercise, go to the next slide. You will get the correct answers. Here are the correct answers. Tally your answers with these.